In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the video quality on your Facebook app or facebook.com. So what you can do is go to your Facebook and go to the menu button at the very bottom right hand corner. And then you're just going to go ahead and find your settings. So we're going to go ahead and click settings. And you're going to have a bunch of options here, but you want to scroll down until you see media, which is under the preferences section here. And just simply go to video quality. Now, a lot of times Data Saver will lower the resolution. Maybe you're on your own data. Maybe you're not hooked up to your Wi-Fi and you want to save it. So you can come in here and just have it on this option. Now, if you're home, if you're on your own Wi-Fi, things like that, and you want the optimized video, you want the highest resolution that it can allow depending on your network, you can go ahead and click optimized. And now from this point forward, Facebook will make a point to show you the highest quality resolution it can, depending on the video, upload resolution, and also depending on your Wi-Fi. So it's very easy to do, very simple, and you can watch videos and Facebook Reels at the highest quality possible. Hope you guys liked the video and found it helpful, and we'll see you in the next one.